Listen carefully. Did you hear that? The steering wheel squeaks. If you go to the repair shop, guess how much money they dare to cheat you? Apparently, this is a very simple repair, but it will cost at least $3,000 at the repair shop. I started repairing cars when I was 12 years old. Today, I will tell you all. First, the steering wheel squeaks when you turn it. Don't spend money to replace the steering gear. You only need to spend $10 to replace the thrust bearing on the shock absorber. Problem solved immediately. Second, there is a squeaking sound when passing a speed bump. Don't spend money on chassis repairs. Spend $2 to replace the balance rubber cover. Problem solved immediately. Third, buzzing noise when driving at high speed. The faster the speed, the louder the noise. Don't check the engine and gearbox. Spend $30 to replace the wheel core bearing. It will be okay.